Welcome everybody, Nagy is speaking from T-Square Technical Talk YouTube channel. This is one of our Knowledge in a Minute series. This video and next couple of videos, I would like to talk about 4 concepts in Python that I find them very correlated with each other. Packages, import, namespace, and scope. In this video, I will start with Python package definition and structure. Let's get started. Python packages. Articles cite the main reason behind Python popularity by some features like it is easy to learn, readable, smart as it does many tasks on behalf of the programmers. Also, it is a general purpose language and other features, but I see the main reason is the vast number of libraries and packages available for Python. For example, in PyPy, Python package index, there are 2.5 million files shared for 229,000 projects and packages. So I will answer 7 what's, 1 where, and 1 how questions. What is Python package definition? What are Python package types? Regular versus namespace package type. What is Python module? What is _init_.py file? What are the minimum requirements for packages? Where should the packages be allocated or installed? How to browse packages contents? Where are other folders and files inside a package folder? What is the naming criteria? Today I will answer the first 2 questions. What is the Python package definition? What are Python package types? While the other questions will be answered in sequence throughout the upcoming videos. And that's to keep the videos short and focus on one tiny topic at a time. Python package definition. Using external packages in Python is inevitable. Any simple education code in Python imports 7 packages on average. So what is the package definition that Python revolves around? Temperer shared in BIP20 some aphorisms. One of them is simple is better than complex, and I believe they followed the same when they designed Python. A package in Python is so simple. It's just a directory structure of a collection of nested sub-packages, modules, and initialization file init.py if needed. Sub-packages in turn may have their own sub-packages, modules, as well as initialization file. Let's have a look at this example of scikit-optimize package. As you see the decomposition of scikit-optimize, there are 3 sub-packages corresponding to those 3 subfolders. In addition to that, we have 6 modules plus initialization module. If we open learning sub-package, we will observe the nested sub-package inside called Gaussian process and 2 modules along with its own initialization module. Gaussian process sub-package in turn has 2 modules and initialization module. Lastly, you may have observed the _by_cache folder inside the package and each sub-package, and I will let you know what the use of that in other video when I answer the question what are other folders and files inside a package folder. It's worth mentioning that mainly Python has 2 kinds of packages. The first type is the one that I have explained called regular package type, where all sub-packages and modules reside in a single directory, which is the package folder, along with the initialization file in the same folder. In contrast, the second type called namespace package type. This type allows you to split the sub-packages and modules within the same package across 2 or more folders. Those folders may be in the same directory on sys.path or in different directories on sys.path. I will talk about sys.path later when I discuss where the package is allocated. Namespace packages can be useful for a large collection of loosely related packages. Here, using the initialization file init.py module is not required in namespace package type, and actually missing this file is a sign that this package is a namespace type, even though all of its sub-packages and modules are in the same directory. And I will talk about init.py and package creations in more details later as well. plib is one of the few examples of the namespace type packages where it comprises 4 sub-packages that don't have dependencies between each other. With that, I conclude my video. You may like this video, watch the previous ones, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.